girl. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby. Hello, pretty girl. What you looking at, huh? Look at the camera. Pretty girl.
Good girl.
Pretty girl. What do you see? Come over here. Come here. Oh, you got a nice full belly for me. Hi, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. You see the camera? There's a pretty baby. Come here. Cutie. I know you don't like the wood floor, huh? I'm sorry. You look over here, sweet girl. Cutie. Don't shake. She really hates the wood floor. Okay, you want to go on the carpet? Come here. There you go. That better? Oh, yes, that's better, huh? Hey, pretty girl. Look at you, so pretty. Look at you, so pretty.
Nope.
Uh-oh.
Nope.
Looks like your brother and sister are out here to cause some trouble.
Nope. Nope.
Where you going, Cutie? Oh, there's your brother. Hey, pretty girl. You are so precious. Look at your little tail. You see your coloring? Hmm? You're back on the wood floor and you're shivering again. She hates the wood floor. You just want to cuddle. You're just in a cuddling mood. Can I see your face again? Huh? Got your ears straight up. So alert. So alert right now.
Teddy. Teddy.
Sounds like your brother's getting in trouble.
Teddy. No. 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 Oh.